What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieve this no makeup look with no foundation at all, then keep on watching. And before this video starts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and, you know, stuff like that. So y'all eat Wendy's? I love Wendy's, especially their chicken nuggets. Whoa. All right, y'all, so I'm getting right into this video. So today, if you clicked on this video, y'all already know it's gonna be like a no makeup routine. So I won't be using any foundation in this video. I'm just gonna go straight in with my my Shot Miss A sculpting brown pencil from AOA. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick. So I feel like y'all seen me do my eyebrows plenty of times, and I have an eyebrow tutorial that I have in the iCard, so y'all can see that. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this. Okay, boom, eyebrows are on. So now I'm just gonna clean them up. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows with this. So boom. Ooh. Y'all, do y'all ever use the actual brush that it comes with? I'm so scared because I don't want to go get my other brush, but I'm terrified right now that I'm just gonna mess up my whole eyebrow. Yeah, I can't do it. I don't know how y'all do it. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I have my brush, and I'm just gonna clean up my brows. Boom. Let me do the other one before I blend this one out. Okay. Boom. So I'm just going to blend that out, of course, with my fluffy brush from AOA Studio and E107. And this, of course, brush was $1. Yep. So I'm just gonna blend that out. Just gonna blend that out right over the lid. Typically with these looks, like when I'm just wearing makeup, so I don't look like Bear, I don't put anything on my eyelids except for the concealer, but to each his own. Because the other day I did this look and I was like, wow, I look so funny because I don't have nothing on my eyelids, but it's okay. So I don't think I'm a trip today. I think I'll be fine. But boom, I'm just blending the concealer out, bringing it down to my eyelids. Boom, and I'm just gonna blend this. I think I like this brush better than my other, like my angled fluffy brush that I use. I think this gives me way more control. Oh, don't lose my shoe. I think this gives me way more control in my blending just because it's a flat brush and instead of like a fluffy brush, because normally right in this area, I would have been like messed up. But I like all the control it's giving me. I think I found a new, I like this brush a lot. Okay, okay, so boom, eyebrows are done. So I'm just gonna go in with my sponge. I don't have any water on it or anything like that. I'm just kind of trying to keep it as dry as possible, just so I can blend this out like easily and not have any, you know, difficulties, I guess. Okay. Cool. So I already moisturized my face prior to this video. Once I got the shower, so I'm just gonna go back in with my LA Girl Warm Honey, and I'm just going to highlight where I would normally highlight under my eye. Ooh, that's a lot. Highlight under my eyes. Of course, since this is like a natural, everyday, no makeup routine, I'm not gonna go OD with the concealer. I'm not today. Normally, I would have went in with my my Maybelline Fit Me in what, 10, 5, one of those, and like I would have like highlighted up in the corners, but I'm not gonna do that because of this video, well, the look that I'm doing. So of course I'm going to make my nose crooked. Duh. Put a little, just a little bit on my forehead. Just a little bit. Okay, boom. And then I'm just going to blend it out with the same sponge.
With my dry sponge. And I also got this sponge from AOA. I mean, Chapman's A. Look at the eye. Boom. My forehead. Boom. And blend out my nose.
So boom, this is where I'm at. And this is, of course, just with that concealer, as y'all can see. Boom. So, of course, I'm still going to set my face with my Maybelline Fit Me, but I'm not going to go OD. Whoa. I'm going to set my face with my Maybelline Fit Me. Just lightly, ever so lightly. Okay. Tap the excess still, because I really don't need that much. And I'm just going in and setting that concealer, because of course it's still makeup. You still don't want any creases, but I'm just not going OD. You know what I'm saying? I'm just pressing it straight into my skin, especially under my eyes, on my eyes. And my nose, my forehead. Okay. Cool. I'm not tripping. So I'm going in with my fluffy brush and I'm just going to wipe as much of that away. As possible. Boom. All right. And this is where I'm at right now. So of course, if you're like me, you have to have some color. So I'm going in with my pressed powder and hot cocoa with the A, from AOA as well. This was $1. So I'm using that same brush that I wiped away all of that extra powder. I'm just gonna go in lightly because I think this is pretty dark. Yeah, it is. And I'm just going to contour, kind of, well, bronzing up my face with a little some. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. Boom. So I have a little color. Boom. Cool. So I'm not upset at all at this because this is what I like to see. So right now I'm just going to go in with my my brow gel from AOA. Boom. And I'm just going to put this gel on my eyebrows. So now I'm going to lashes or no lashes? Lashes for 300, duh. Okay. So now I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Sorry, I was up in there. And I'm just going to coat my lashes for my, I'm going to coat my natural lashes for my false lashes. That sounds good. And so boom, have on my mascara. So now I'm just going to go in with my very natural lashes. I got these from Miss 3D. I think it's Miss. Yeah, it's called Miss. I got this from the beauty supply. The brand is Miss. Like 3D 3D lashes. I'll leave it all in the description box, of course. Oops. Okay, boom, both eyelashes are on. So now that my face is pretty much done, I'm just going to put mascara on my bottom eyelashes, and then I'm just going to go in with my lip liner and my gloss. I'm just going in with my Fenty. I'm sorry. I didn't really mean to grab this one. Boom. And yeah, I'm not even gonna like highlight my face. I mean, you can, but I'm not going to highlight mine. But this is the end of this makeup look. Like, very simple. A simple, like, no makeup look. Of course, it looks like I have a very even, you know what I'm saying? Like, even skin complexion. But, I mean, it's not, like, over dramatic. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like, oh, she got a face on. You know what I'm saying? So, I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look. And be sure, well, if you haven't, be sure to, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, of course. Because, you know, I'm pretty cool, you get me? So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, so I'll see y'all later. Well, in the next video, duh. But yeah, that's about it. So bye.